Get ready, little booty. It's syringe time. Let's make this tushy really pop. We've got little colorful zits now. Pop, pop. Wow, nice. Amazing work, friendo. Pop, pop. So much color, so much fun. Let's wipe you off. Ooh, I know. Let's put the tube through here. Now we're really talking. It's growing. Ah, it's getting all over me. Oof, oh no. This is leaving a mark. You got black paint everywhere. You probably need some real shoes. I know. Let's cut out these spots. We know it's the size of my foot. Nice going, lady. I wonder what's next. Layer and layers on top. Add some glue to flip-flops and voila! Best shoes ever! Wow, check this out. It's a beautiful orange ball. Let's cut it open. What's inside? Check it. There's a Barbie in the ice. Smash! Bam! Wham! Good job, Miss Nancy. There we are. Hey, Barbie!
Hey! Where's my beautiful hair?
Yummy! Oh no! Don't you worry, Barbie. We'll help. We'll add all these seats to your head. Yeah! Nice work! And then the little green stems. Let's give this do a good cut. Perfect, Maestro! And here comes the strawberries. You'll look like all your cool friends. Yay! Now I have hair and a snack. Yummy! Huggy Wuggy's all tied up. He's trying to break free. I'll help you, Huggy. Let's see what we have here. Oh, wow! A mini blue! Let's spray some water and get you free! Nice! Wrap this around you like so. And then color in the tinfoil with different colors. Now we've got a little mermaid! So cute! Feet inspection time! What's this? A pedicure toy? There's so much to fix with this leg. Let's first deal with this wart. Now let's work on the pimple. Poopity poop! Now what's all this dirt and grease? So gross! Don't need any of this. Let's clean it up with our special cleaning gadget. Wow! It's squeaky clean now! Now for the real pedicure! I love different colored nails! So nice and smooth! Let's have a seat! Yikes! I think something poopy happened! See anything? Oh no! So embarrassing! What to do, Nancy? Let's get these off ASAP! Wrap a rubber band around each part of the panties. Place it in the toilet and keep adding paint. Wowza! Rainbow boom! Now add foam. And be sure to mix it up. Soak the whole mixture in water. And you've got your own tie-dye pants. Check it out! Problem of any stain solved! And they look absolutely fabulous! Cool! What's with all this paint? This is amazing! Ooh, gum! Let's get all this goop off and get to work! Make a ball. Add some eyes. and glue the ball to your phone case. Add the ears and the cute little eyes. And now you've got the best phone case ever! Squeeze the little nose. So squishy. Selfie time! Peace! Lift the lid. Squirt! Give me this! Wow, this is perfect! Pringles time! I love sweet and savory snacks, M&Ms and chips, and bring in the gummy worms. I love this easy DIY tray. It's so sturdy too. Nom. Ooh, tastes a bit like bathroom. Let's take this off.
Ew.
Oh no, you're covered in poop. And you smell like it too. Oh, mushy gushy. Crocs are fun that way. Zoom, zoom! Hey there, fella. Take this off. And put your gum on. It'll work as glue. Stick the Croc on top and spray paint them a hot pink color. Glue on the cute little gummy bears. And now you've got your DIY rollerblades. Wham! Uh-oh. You need some practice, Nance. Army crawl works every time. Wow, what are we working with here? Skittle slimes? Let's grab this one. I'm pretty sure my butt picked up Skittles and good back here. Yikes, found them. Let's take these off and work with the balloon. Add the little Skittles until the whole area is covered. Melt them down. And now you've got a cute bowl of popcorn. Love this. So delicious. Scrub-a-dub-dub and rub the foam. Rub! Don't you just love keeping your toys squeaky clean? Her torso can go in the bottle. Add the liquid to the mold. And then fill it in. Now you've got the shape of a Barbie torso in blue. OMG, it's soap. You're a genius, you! Now be sure to wash your hands! Awesome! Whoa! I just stepped in poo! You just need to grab the toothpaste! Why isn't it coming out? Squirt! Ah! Here I go! I wonder what you're up to this time! Interesting! Adding a little final touch with a 3D pen and we've got a little poop head. Now he can help me put toothpaste on with no fuss and no muss. Brush them until they're clean and shiny. Nice! Pyramid time! Add the final one. Wow! It's amazing! Not anymore!
Hey! No!
So worth it! Now I can DIY some crafts! Cut the top of the cup, poke a hole, and add a plastic ball. I can drop in my gumballs, and it's my very own gumball machine. Let's have a taste. And blow a bubble. So fun! Let's light this baby up! Wow, what a sweet little chick! Now the mom's turn! Light this firecracker! The smoke is just the beginning! Huh? What's this? We got a whole balloon now! Wow! Add it to my basket! Pop goes the weasel! And so many sparkles! Hey, little chickies! Come here, sweethearts! hair's getting all over us. Hang in there, little guys. But Nance doesn't seem to like it. Oh, don't cry, Nance. High five! You got it. Wow, a little unicorn tattoo, and it's edible. Wow, I just love these so much. Hello, Grandma. Check out my tattoos.
Oh, dearie, my heart.
No, they're not permanent. Look. Now it's gone. High five, Grandma. Now you have one. Grandma's licks are a little more slobbery. Yummy, yum. Don't need that one. Or that. Ah! Oh, hey, there it is, my iPad.
Wow.
And some stickers. Decorate the outside. And then add a protective covering. So cute. Self-care routines are the best. Swipe! Hey! This is perfect. Keep pouring into the bag. Now you can spread them out and the stickers can play. What a great game.
Whoa, a ball. I got one too. Yay, 2 balls.
Keep moving.
Ah, so many balls, I can't keep track.
Wow, so organized and fun to play.
Oh my gosh, she's covered in slime. Ew. I know, I'll fix her up right away. Get these doctor gloves and start a poppin'. Pop. 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 Dang, she's really been there a while. Wipe, wipe. Wow, she looks good as new. Syringe and bubble wrap. Let's make it happen. Carrie has paints. She uses the shot to take out the colors. Come on, you got it. Put it inside the bubble. Uh-huh. You can do it. Almost done? Wow, she made a case of her own. Oh wait, a hole on the bottom? I know. Just grab a balloon. Stick it through. Add the details and you've got yourself a hot new toy. Cool! Now. So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy. Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that. Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case. Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is! Oh, wow! What did I find? Cute frog. If I kiss him, will he turn into a prince? No prince. Wait, what the heck? Are these pimples on my face? I can pop them all! I've got all these colors on my face now! So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy! Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that! Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case! Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is! Oof! What a zinger! Better press it hard! Oh, this is always the toughest part! What can I do now? Ooh, the beauty box might have an answer! Nice! Pimple patches can do the trick! Let me place them all over my zits! Rip! Ooh, this is amazing! I have such smooth skin! Now it's time to stay quiet, kitty! Here I am! Let's swipe all this off! Flip the table! Hey, what's this? Yay! Exactly what I need to build the walls! Be sure you have some glue to keep the cardboard walls up! And find the perfect paw stencil! Let's fill in the paint! You can paint as many as you want! Do you smell that? Ooh, perfect! I can use this for the carpet inside. Let's roll it out. Is that an opening? Wow! Crunch, crunch. This bowl of milk and cereal will get the job done. Let's poke it through the hole. Amazing! It's like a mini window. Check out these Legos. It's a little Lego trail. I can use these to build a chair together. They fit so perfectly and add so much color. Just need a pillow for comfort. And some cute little toys. The house is almost ready. These puppets are the final touch. Kitty can play with them too. Just cover the surface area of the roof like this. It's so colorful. Wah! What's this? Oh, another bowl. Time to do some landscape design. All we need is some soil and cat-friendly seeds. Watch them grow. We can place some dry food in the middle. So cute! Matches perfectly. I love popping bubble wrap. Just need my handy-dandy syringe to make it more fun. Squirt some color. And let's fill these bad boys up. You can use a Q-tip to add some more paint on top. And tweezers to place the little pearls. We're ready to squeeze. Ah, so fun! Look at all the explosions! Nice! Oh, yes! 5 stars it is!